Hello, I'm Brianna Cody. Water music, recorded in 1983 by William Basinski, relates to ambient music because Basinski was inspired by many different ambient artists such as Brian Eno. He also experimented greatly in the world of ambient music with works using tape loop and delay systems. This piece connects with the other ambient tracks because they all have a steady and repeating quality that allows them to convey a specific feeling/emotion. Water music, unlike the other tracks, however, has a more somber and relaxing effect to it. As you listen, focus on the steady, whistle-like tone carried throughout the piece that gives this piece the feeling of calm waters and makes water music stand out as an ambient piece. And at 23 minutes 30 seconds, listen for the swirling pitches and tones that build up as they overlap in the background, allowing the listener to feel the environment around them.